नमस्कार, मैं सीए मनमोहन जिंदल, एक्स बैंकर and RBI registered valuer in security and financial assets from Mumbai. So today we shall try to discuss the exam-oriented MCQs on debt recovery agent exam to facilitate the students for clearing their exam with bright colors. So where internal accounting and book balances and settlement of transactions with other branches and banks institution take place called back office, front office, upper office, and lower office. So here the answer is back office. Nowadays, internal accounting and book balancing and settlement of transactions by the banks are doing at the back office. Under the KYC guidelines, banks need to conduct enhanced due diligence in all the following cases, except non-face-to-face customers, firms with sleeping partners, trustees, nominees, and fiduciaries, and personal customers. So here, personal customers and small deposits are having a very less risk, and banks need not to go for the EDD, but in the above three cases, banks should take care and go for enhanced due diligence before onboarding. Know your customer is applicable on all existing domestic customer, new domestic customer, non-resident customers, all of the above. So KYC is very, very important for all types of customer who are onboarded to the banking channel. So answer is for all of the above. One of the main objective of KYC procedure is to prevent possible misuse of banking system for money laundering and financing of terrorist activities, to restrict possible misuse of banking system for money laundering and financing of terrorist activities, to extend possible misuse of banking system for money laundering and financing of terrorist activities, and to permit possible misuse of banking system for money laundering and financing of terrorist activities. So answer is A. Here the keyword is prevent, prevention of money laundering act. So not restrict, not extend, not permit, but the specific word is prevent. One of the main objective of the KYC procedure is if here the answers either in the question prevent, prevail, pursue, permit, it this type of word is there. So here the first option is again to prevent possible misuse of banking system for money laundering. Sometimes we used to confuse in the order of the answers. So here we have put this answer at the third level. So answer is again to prevent possible misuse of banking system for money laundering and financing of terrorist activities. KYC guidelines have to be compulsorily adhered by banks in regard to customers maintain domestic account, non-resident rupee account, NRE account, or foreign currency accounts. So all of the above. Here again, thumb rule is that if any person is onboarding to the banking channel, he has to go under the screening of KYC guidelines. KYC guidelines are not required to maintain domestic account, maintain non-resident rupee account, maintain foreign currency account, or not maintaining any account with the bank. So answer is fourth, where a customer is not maintaining any account with the banking system, bank will not go for the KYC of that person. KYC prevent illegal monies coming into the banking stream, not prevent illegal money coming into the banking stream, restrict illegal money coming into the banking stream or not restrict illegal money coming into the banking stream. So here answer is first, KYC is meant for preventing illegal monies coming into the banking system. Specimen signatures of the customer is obtained on account opening form in the presence of the bank staff is attested by the authorized officer of the bank. All of the above. So answer is all of the above because before opening an account, he has to fill up the application form and he has to put his signature on the accounting form. That should be in the presence of the bank staff and is to be attested by the officer of the bank staff. A customer signature is required for verification on the checks, vouchers, or comparing at the time of withdrawal to verify the genuineness of the customer. So here answer is all of the above because bankers are having the signature only or in sometimes photo of that person that is affixed on the passbook, but signature is the most important part for the bank officers to pass the check of the person and to take care of the funds of the customer. Signature and PIN are ensure safety of the customer's fund, avoid misuse, changeable in case of. So here answer is all of the above because signature and PINs are meant for ensuring the safety of the customer's fund. It is for preventing or avoiding the misuse and they are changeable in case of need if customer wish to. Power of attorney is a document duly stamped as per stamp act given by the customer to his or banker authorizing his or attorney or agent named therein to operate the account. Power of attorney could be general or specific. So answer is all of the above. Above the three options given are the characteristics of the power of attorney only. Kids accounts are open to inculcate saving habits among children, can open by child having the age of 13 years and above to know about the banking operations and all of the above. Nowadays, some banks used to promote saving habits into the children and opening the independent account of the children who are having the age of 13 to 16 years of age and all the three options are correct. So all of the above. Kids accounts are open for the general awareness in the children for the specific age mentioned in the different banks and for increasing the deposits, all of the above. So these all the three options are also correct because banks have tried to tap this unused area and in nowadays children also save a lot of money and goes into the banking system. Deposits may be demand deposits, term deposits, hybrid deposits, or flexi deposits. So the options are correct. Demand deposits are saving, current, call deposits, term deposits are fixed deposits, recurring deposits, and hybrid deposits are having the benefits of both the accounts of saving and fixed. Current account can be opened by individual, business entities, institutions. So here the answer is all of the above. Anyone can open the account into the banking system. Current account can be opened by government bodies, departments, societies, liquidators. So here also anybody can open a current account into the banking system. Current account can be opened by receivers, trust, business entity. Here again, the answer is all of the above because that is not prohibited by the banking system to open the account. So thank you very much. A small disclaimer that if any answer goes wrong and you have noticed it, kindly write. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.